Welcome back to today's class. Our task today is to see how we can integrate this nice problem on integration. So first of all, we are going to integrate this normal way. There's nothing different about this. Very, very simple. All right, solution. This is what we are going to do. First of all, let's share this. Let's distribute this integral sign, then also distribute the dx. So it become the integral of x to power m dx plus the integral of m to power x, the integral of x to power m dx plus the integral of m to power x dx plus the integral of m to power m dx plus the integral of m all over x dx. All right, so clearly you've seen that we have shared the integral sign and shared the dx also. So let's differentiate this with respect to x. If we integrate this, let's integrate this. So if we integrate this, we have that this is x m plus 1 from normal integration m plus 1 plus, if we integrate this, we have that, remember that if we have a to power x, you have to integrate a to power x. This is just a to power x all over log a base e, right? So let's integrate here. So this becomes what? M to power x becomes what? M to power x all over log m base e plus, let's integrate this. Now m here is a constant. This m here is a constant, and since this m here is a constant, this one also is also what? A constant. So remember that if we differentiate it, if we integrate a constant c, this is giving us what? Cx, right? So the same thing also implies if we integrate this constant here, we'll have that this is what? M to power m multiplied by x plus, now from here, this is still the same as saying m multiplied by 1 over x. So if we integrate 1 over x, so we have that this is m, the integral of 1 over x. So if we integrate 1 all over x, we have that this is what? Ln of x. So this is m multiplied by what? Ln of x. All right. But since we use logarithm here, let's say this is m multiplied by the log x base e plus c. And this is the right answer to this integral problem. Do well to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget, mathematics is not a spectator sport. No pain, no gain. See you in the next video.